This is a 10-minute, no equipment arm routine you can do 3 times a week. If you don't like the way your arms look and you don't know where to start, I want you to start with this workout. All I need you to do is comment down below you are getting involved and follow along with me. And listen, if it's a lot more than flabby arms, you just want to build healthy habits, you want to transform your body, and you want to become the best version of yourself, book a free consultation call with me today. But only do it if you're serious, because I'm only taking on 3 more women to work on a one-to-one basis. Now, let's do this.
It's Kelpie Vibes.
So cute. They go so cute. All my people they go down so cute. Boss man they go down so cute. When the bed do they enter body. All the girl them go shake their body. They go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo bona belly. They mo bona belly. You know get money you take up police. Me I they love you gone. Then say I take grace and no nama, but I go spray you the money on your ma. You supposed to know say me not be newcomer. So my baby make you no go dollar, no go dollar. When the bed do they enter body. All the girl them go shake their body. They go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo go na felly. They mo go na felly. You know the money you take up police. Me and they love you gone. As I they sing, they feel the pulse. Make all the people jump around. Make you they listen well because I know if you shout. No joking around. Listen, make I tell you what it's all about. I know if you tell you I see what I ain't the coconut. You sit down inside boss, you say you be boss. Oh yeah, look da da da. Look da da da. Say so my pikin with the para with the ga ga ga. Kilo shele ba ba ba. Oh look da da da. Look da da da. Say so my pikin with the para with the ga ga ga. Kilo shele ba ba ba. When the bed do they enter body, enter body. All the girl them go shake their body, they go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo go na felly. Bona. You no get money you take up police. Baby they love you gone.
Oh, well done, every single one of you. Your arms should be burning just like mine. I want you to comment down below. Let me know how your arms are feeling. Let me know if you completed this workout. And listen, if you need my one-on-one support, let's jump on a free consultation call this week. The link is in the description. But don't go anywhere. You've got this workout to do now. Peace.